Chicken Philly Joes. Here's what I threw together when I didn't know what to have for dinner, but something with bell peppers sounded good. I will now be making these weekly, so I can have these ready to eat for lunch every day. I start out by dicing a whole red bell pepper, a small white onion, and half of a jalapeno to save on dishes. And to flavor the chicken, I sauteed my veggies first, set them aside, then use that same pan to sear my chicken. And why not? I'll show you how I make my green beans. They're full of flavor. Any onion works, but I put about 1/4 of a cup of diced red onion in some olive oil. Let that cook for a few minutes. I already had about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. You could use chicken breast as well. I added my chicken right in that pan. Those veggies were cooked and then I seasoned it. I used salt, pepper, oregano, and parsley. I cooked it 6 to 7 minutes on each side until it got a nice golden brown color. Next, I tossed about 1/3 of a cup of chopped ham with my red onion for my green beans. Then I add about half a cup of chicken broth. Once you get this nice golden brown color on your chicken, you're going to also pour in 1.5 cups of chicken broth to the pan your chicken is in. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce or soy sauce. I use soy sauce. I strongly recommend trying it that way first. I used 2 cans of green beans and added 2 tablespoons of butter, covered both of those with the lid and simmered for about 20 to 30 minutes. These are supposed to be similar to a sloppy joe, so next time I'm going to try and add a little butter and flour for a roux before I add my broth, so it has a more gravy-like consistency and will hold the filling together better. I gave the chicken a rough chop, added it back to the little bit of broth that was left over, and your filling is ready. Also, if everyone in your house likes onions and peppers, you can mix that right in with your chicken. I kept mine separated for that reason. Use whatever bun you like. I had plain hamburger buns and sesame hamburger buns. I put thin sliced provolone cheese on the top and bottom bun. I put that under the broiler for a minute or two until it was melted. Then I assembled my sandwich. An easier option would be to just put the cheese right on top of the chicken in the pan and let it melt. Also, a little extra cheese might hold the chicken on the bun a little better, or maybe even a cheese sauce. But also, it's supposed to be kind of like a sloppy joe, so it's going to be sloppy. I get worried about making too much of something new in case everyone doesn't love this, but I regretted that decision. I for sure think I could have gone with the thicker sliced provolone. After I got the cheese melted, I put the onions and peppers on the top bun and the chicken on the bottom bun. We had this with my green beans and ham and some crinkle-cut French fries. The chicken by itself tasted so good. I could not wait to eat this. Please let me know if you guys tried this and then what you think about it. It would probably be easier and just as delicious with a store-bought rotisserie chicken. Family rated this 9 out of 10. Just look at that cheese pull. Thank you for watching. I make sure to try new food every week and I'm always looking for new ideas. Please like and subscribe.